Good morning, students. In previous lecture we had seen conservation of momentum and some important formulas, right? So today we are going to solve some numerical problem, right? So I have taken from your textbook lesson number 1, laws of motion. Question number 3, complete the following table. Page number 17 in your textbook, okay? So first of all, you have to read the table. How to read the table? I will tell you. See, this is U. U means initial velocity. This is given in bracket meter per second. Meter per second is the unit of velocity, right? A means acceleration. The SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square. So in bracket that is given the units. So whenever you will find the answer, you have to write the units also, okay? T. Here T is in second. T is in second. This formula we have to use. V is equal to U plus AT. This is meter per second is the unit of velocity. Okay. So say this is question number 1. This is 1. This is 1. This is 2. Okay. So first question number 1, U is equal to 2 meter per second, A is equal to 4 meter per second square, T is equal to 3 second. We have to find V. Okay, so right here given solution of question number 1. Given U is equal to 2, writes its unit meter per second. A is equal to 4 meter per second square. T is equal to 3 second. Given to find V is equal to question mark. We have to find the value of V. Okay, formula used. V is equal to U plus AT. This formula we have to use. Then solution. This is the way to find the value of V. Okay, first of all we write given data. Then to find what we have to find the value of V. V is the final velocity. Formula used. We are going to use V is equal to U plus AT. Then we have to write solution. Since V is equal to U plus AT, therefore V is equal to, U is equal to how much? U is equal to 2 plus A is equal to 4 into T is 3. So therefore V is equal to 2 plus 12. Therefore V is equal to 2 plus 12, that is 14. 14 what? You must write its unit. 14 meter per second. V, its unit is meter per second. So this is the answer. Okay. So here will be 14, right? Here will be 14. So this way you have to solve. Don't write directly answer. You have to solve, then you have to write the answer here. Okay. Question number 2. second. Again, given here A is equal to 5 meter per second square. Given A is equal to 5 meter per second square. T is equal to 2 seconds. T is equal to 2 seconds, right? V is equal to 20. 20 what? 20 meter per second. Given to find, here we have to find the value of V. Given to find U is equal to question mark. Then given to find, then formula used. Formula used again. V is equal to U plus AT. Then solution. Since V is equal to U plus AT, therefore V, in place of V, we have got 20. V 20 is equal to U. U we have to find. So right here U plus AT. A is equal to 5 into T is 2. Therefore 20 is equal to U plus 10. So we can write here U plus 10 is equal to 20. Whole thing I have written here and 20 here. So therefore U will be equal to 20 minus 10. Here is plus sign. After equal to, positive sign will be converted into negative sign. So therefore U is equal to 20 minus 10, that is 10. Its unit is, since U is the velocity, initial velocity, so its unit will be meter per second. So therefore U is equal to 10 meter per second. So here answer will be 10. Right, only 10 because meter per second is written here. So only 10 is here, okay. Next table I will complete. This is second table. Say this is first, this is second, right? So here U is equal to 5 meter per second. A is equal to 12 meter per second square. T is equal to 3 seconds. S equal to question mark. We have to find the value of S. S is the displacement, okay? So in this case we have to use this formula. S is equal to ut plus half at square, okay? So again we will write given first one. Given U is equal to 5 meter per second. E is equal to here 12. Its unit meter per second square. Meter per second square. T is equal to 3 second. Given, right? These all data are given. To find S is equal to question mark. We have to find the value of S. S is the displacement and its unit is SI unit is meter. In formula used, S is equal to ut plus half a t square. Then solution, since S is equal to ut plus half at square. So therefore this is since. Since means we know that. This is therefore. Therefore s is equal to, in place of s we have to write s because we have to find the value of s. ut, u is how much? U is 5. T is 3 plus 1 upon 2 into a is 12 into t square. T is 3 square, that is 3 3 is 9. Okay, 2 1 is 2, 2 6 is 12. Therefore s is equal to 5 3 is 15 plus 9, 6 into 9, 54. Therefore s is equal to 5 plus 4 9, 5 plus 6 69. Its s is the displacement, so its SI unit will be meter. So s is equal to 69 meter. So here 69. Okay, so this way you have to solve. Okay, now second one I'm writing from here. Second, again given u is equal to, this is u is equal to 7 meter per second. A is equal to, is not given. T is equal to 4. T is equal to 4 second. S is equal to 92 meter given. To find A is equal to question mark, right? Then formula used. S is equal to ut plus half at square. Can you tell me one thing? This is Newton's second equation of motion or third equation of motion? Can you tell me? This is Newton's second equation of motion. Then solution. Since s is equal to ut plus half at square, therefore s is equal to how much? S is equal to 92 is equal to u is equal to how much? 7. T is equal to 4 plus 1 upon 2 into A is equal to question mark. So write here A into T square. T is how much? T is 4. 4 square, that is 4 4 is 16. 2 1 is 2, 2 8 is 16. Therefore 92 is equal to 7 4 is 28 plus 8A. A into A, that is 8A. So whole thing we have to write here. Therefore that is 28 plus 8A is equal to 92. 28 plus 8 is equal to 92. Therefore 8A is equal to 92 minus 28. Therefore 8A is equal to 64. Therefore A is equal to 64 upon 8. Here is 8A, that is 8 into A. So therefore A is equal to 64 upon 8. 8 1 the 8. 8 8 the 16. Therefore, A is equal to 8. 8 what? You must write here its unit. A is the acceleration and the SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square. Okay, so here you have to write here 8. So this way you have to solve. Don't write directly answer. Next. So this is third one. U is equal to 4 meter per second. A is equal to 3 meter per second square. S is equal to question mark. Now we have to use V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. Okay. So this is, can you tell me this is Newton's first equation of motion or second equation of motion or third equation of motion? This is Newton's third equation of motion, right? What was the Newton's first equation of motion? So that was V is equal to U plus AT. This was Newton's first equation of motion. So again, first one at given U is equal to, here is 4 what? 4 meter per second. A is equal to 3 meter per second square. Here V square is equal to 8 meter per, see, here is, okay, do one thing, do one correction here. Here V is given, okay. This is the formula, V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. So don't think this is V square is equal to 8 is given. No, this is a formula, V square is equal to U square plus 2AS, okay. So here actually V is given, V, okay. So V is 8 meter per second, okay, given. Then to find S is equal to question mark, then formula used, V square is equal to U square plus 2AS, okay. Solution. First we write given, then to find, then formalize, then solution. If you write 10 here, you will get half marks, okay, half marks. Solution, since V square is equal to U square plus 2AS, since, this is since, therefore V square, that is V is equal to 8. Here is V square, then 8 square, is 8 the 64. U square, U is 4, then 4 is this, here is U square, that is U is 4, then 4 square, that is 16. 2 into A is equal to 3, S is equal to, S is not given, we have to find S, so write here S. Therefore 64 is equal to 16 plus 6 into S. So write all the data here. Therefore 16 plus 6 into S is equal to 64. We can write here. Whole thing I have written here and 64 here. Therefore 6 into S is equal to 64 minus 16. 64, here is plus sign, then 64 minus 16. So I am writing here, therefore 6 into S is equal to 64 minus 16, that is equal to how much? 48. Therefore S is equal to 48 upon 6. 8 1 the 8 1 the 6 1 the 6 and 8 6 the 48. Therefore, S is equal to 8. S is the displacement. So the SI unit of displacement is meter. So write here meter. So here will be S is equal to how much? 8. So now you can write here 8. Okay. Second one again given. Here A is equal to 5, writes its unit meter per second square. S is equal to 8.4 meter. Here V, don't write V square. V is equal to how much? 10 meter per second. Don't write here meter per second square. Since here is square, so here is square. Okay. V is equal to 10 meter per second given. To find U. See U. U is equal to question mark, right? Then formula used. V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. Then solution. Since V square is equal to U square plus 2AS, therefore V square, that is V is equal to 10 is given. V square, that is 10 10 the 100, is equal to U square. U is equal to how much? U is equal to question mark. So write here U square is equal to 2 into A is how much? 5. S is 8.4. So remove point from here and write here 10. 5 1 the 5, 5 2 the 10, 2 1 the 2, 2 1 the 2. That is therefore 100 is equal to U square plus here is only 84. So write whole thing left side. Therefore U square plus 84 is equal to 100. Therefore U square is equal to 100 minus plus sign is here. After equal to sign, plus sign will be converted into minus sign. So 84. Therefore U square is equal to 100 minus 84, that is 16, right? Therefore U square is equal to under root 16. Sorry, therefore U. If you remove square from here, here will be under root. So U will be equal to under root 16. Therefore U is equal to 4. 4 what? Meter per second. This is the answer. Here will be 4. Right here 4. Understood? Now question number